what we're doing is a restaurant owner carried out a survey to see if his customers like wine or beer. He surveyed 135 people. The Venn diagram shows results. Calculate the value of X. How do you find out what X is, guys? How do you find out what X is? Add them all up together and it has to be 135. So 33 plus 75 is 108. 108 is short of 135. So take them away, and what do we get? 27. By having 27 in the middle, all the numbers have to add up to 135. 135 minus 100. What?
Is that just an open to 4?
Okay, Don knows it is. Okay. Now, guys, what can you say about the customers in the region marked X? What can you say about people these 27 people? What? They like both. They like both. They like wine and beer. Okay. If one customer is chosen at random, what is the probability that they like neither wine or beer? 15 out of 135, which is 1 in 9. One of the customers chosen at random liked wine. So we chose somebody that liked wine. How many people liked wine in total?
75 out of 100.
No, 75 plus the 27?
102.
102? Out of 102 people, out of the 102 people that liked wine, what's the probability, how many of these people also like beer?
27.
What's 27 out of 102? 9 over?
34.
Okay, 24 or 34? 34, thanks. The next month, owners expect to serve 570 customers. Estimate how many of those customers will they expect to like beer. Okay, so your current stats state that out of 135 people, how many people like beer? 27 plus 18? 45. This is the fraction of people that like beer. How many people do we have in total? So multiply 570 by your fraction, and what do you get? 190. We're expecting 190 people to like beer.
So does this mean a lot of people don't like either? Because there's 570 people in the whole thing.
Oh yeah, no, but there are people who like wine as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
75 plus 27 plus 18 is nowhere near 570.
Oh yeah, no, that was based on a smaller survey. That was based on 135. See, what I did, Rick, was from this survey I said 45 out of 135 people. I found out what fraction of people like beer, and then I multiplied this fraction by the number of people I'm expecting at a party next week. So it should be roughly the same fraction.
Yeah.
So it's scaled up. Has nothing to do with these figures here have nothing to do with the 570. The waitress notes that customers who like wine only give much better tips than other customers. From the expected 570 customers, how many of them can the waitress expect a big tip from? So there's 570 people. Out of our last survey, 75 people were wine only. So now we're going to multiply 570 multiplied by 75 divided by 135, and she's expecting did that go in evenly?
No.
Oh no, sorry, wine only, right?
Yeah.
It didn't go in evenly. Your one didn't go in evenly either.
316.6.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at as well. 316.6, and what can you say about that? We can round it up to roughly 317 people are likely to drink wine only. Okay. Number 6. 80 passengers on a plane were surveyed how they spent their time. The activities were reading or listening to music, in-flight movie, L. Or I. Sorry, I. The results are shown in the Venn diagram. What's the probability of selecting a passenger at random who enjoyed either music or reading? Music or reading? How many people in this circle here? Shh. How many people in that? 40 plus 32? 72. Remember, it's or reading, so you can read only and you still qualify for that question. or reading.
They read as well. They also.
No, they can just read only. They don't have to read both of them. They just have to do one of them. Which of the following sets of parts are mutually exclusive? Can anyone in the class explain what mutually exclusive means again?
It means that there's nobody in the middle.
You can't be both. That's not mutually exclusive means that you can't be both. What?
One or the other.
Yeah, you're one or the other. You can't be both. Okay. So selecting a passenger from M and selecting a passenger from R. Can you be both M and R? No. So this is mutually exclusive because you can't be a person. Nobody in R does M. Now, what about the second one, M and I? Is there people who did both the music and the movie? There's 24 people who did both the music and the movie, therefore it's not mutually exclusive. And I justified my answer by speaking into it, as I said. There's people here who did the movie and music and the movie. That means that if you choose somebody, you can get somebody who's both, not mutually exclusive. However, when you're choosing people who listen to music and read, nobody did both. So when you pick one of them, they're either one or the other. Mutually exclusive.